Okay, so the topic is it good to privatize public sectors? What are your opinions?
It is good to privatize public.
Yes, I think like privatization is good.
Yeah, I also think privatization is good because in government means the work is not done in proper time period. The workers are not punctual or for their work, but in private sectors, the workers and each and every employee is just focused on his or her work. And yeah, there are many benefits of privatizing government sector, except the bank. We cannot privatize bank because due to that crimes and all.
Yes,
I
I
believe
agree with you, Neha.
yeah,
Like you said that private sector, the people are lazy. It is because like in private, their main motto is to get profit. But in public sector, this is not there. The main motto of public sector is to welfare people. That is not a, great motivation for the employees. That's why they tend to be tend to be lazy in that
Yes,
public sector.
yeah, I
I
take
totally
your
agree.
point, Akansha and Neha. But like you people are saying that privatization is good, and like Neha said, in banking we can't do privatization. So it's not like only limited to banks. It's like there are many sectors where you can't do privatization because privatization ultimately leads to monopoly,
Yeah,
and
I agree with you.
these
Including
people
banks,
can
there are many sectors like somewhere the more secret works are happening, so we cannot privatize those things because the information can leak. And some in banks the cash and all can leak. So we cannot privatize those sectors which are totally in need of in government security. But yeah, we can privatize those sectors in which the workers are not doing their work punctually, and they are not just focusing on their work. The work is not completed by time, so we can just privatize those sector and it will give benefits to our
Can you
country.
give some example? What kind of sector are you talking about?
I'm talking about like
Airline sector,
For
petroleum
example,
sector. The
Okay,
private
okay. Like,
sectors in these are
like you
doing
are
very
saying
well instead
petroleum,
of the public.
wait. Like you are saying petroleum sector should be privatized, right? See, it is a
Yes.
national product, and it will provide, means we will privatize them. So, as it is in public sector, still the that rates are going, and the rates of petrol is touching the sky. So, don't you think when it will be privatized, and in privatization, the major factor or the major aim is to get maximum of the profit? Don't
But
you
don't you
think that
think, Parki, if every sector will be get privatized, so salary will also increase because in private sector the salary is more, so salary will also increase in private sector.
But it will
I
have a
think
negative
like
impact on
I
the
think
poor
Parthi,
society.
like
What about poor people?
quality of product will also increase in private
among
sector because
employees?
private sector has competition. They have to focus on
I totally
quality.
because poor people will also get opportunity in private sector because in government seats are in fixed numbers, but in private sector the seats are means they are more than government sector. So yeah, there is more opportunity to get a job in private sector also, because if you can see in my college also there are many teachers, many faculties, many workers. They are what we say, they are acted as in private basis. They are not permanent in college, so they are also getting that much salary. So and the permanent faculties are also getting that much salary. So yeah, and the private faculties are working more hard on students. They are teaching more. They are looking after all the things of teachers, but not permanent teachers, because permanent
Hello.
just
Good evening,
wait.
ma'am.
Wait. I must complete my work. Means complete my sentence.
Hello. Good
What I was
evening,
saying, yeah,
ma'am.
the private the permanent faculty know that no one can suspend them, no one can say them anything.
Hello.
Work their work, so they don't do their work in time and all. They don't take classes and all, but private teachers do. So yeah, we should just privatize those colleges and those sectors which are not getting so much.
Yeah, like yeah, Neha, I strongly
Like
means I
I
don't
agree with
agree.
you, but
Like
it's not that I completely agree with you. It is
like
that
you are
schools like public schools are not doing good, but public universities like IITs and ITs they are doing great. and public
Exactly.
colleges and private colleges are not doing that great. So I agree with you on the point of schools, but not on the colleges.
But you know what? Like she's saying, the school should be privatized. You know, in America, the total schooling and education system has been privatized, and just because of that, and as everyone knows that privatization aims for profit. So the fees of schools have been raised so much, and that poor people are not even able to afford that education. If
Yes,
one
yes,
wants to
Parky.
afford education,
The
Yeah,
before
I totally
their
agree with you,
education
Parky.
used to be so cheap. Everybody have the right to like go to educate, but now the colleges, the school fees are so much that people are not able to join them.
yeah,
I agree
rich
with.
people are getting like options for education, but what about poor people? Like people in privatization, the owner used to think of the only benefit and profits.
Yeah, I agree with you that there are so much demerits. Means the poor people will always suffer. Poor people are suffering this time also poor people will suffer that time also. But if in case we make everything private, we make everything private except those things which in which these crime cases are more. If we privatize maximum, so poor people will also get opportunity to work due to these means in government there are limited seats, but in private there are there more seats than government, so they will also have opportunity to work.
And I think that privatizing public sector will reduce the administrative corruption. It is because like now if 1,000 crore is allotted for a project, most of the money goes in the pocket of the administrator, officers, government
Yeah,
officers. But if
Akansha, like you were saying that corruption will decrease. But don't you think in private sector also the that corruption occurs? Like what happens? What like I was telling earlier about monopoly. What happens in that? If like for an example, if we take example of anything like a textile industry, okay? So if suppose that textile industries has become privatized, it's just an example, then the price of textile will increase at a high rate, and at that point people means government can ask that the price is getting higher and higher. So don't you think the boss or the owner of that company can feed money to the government employees? So I don't think corruption will decrease. Corruption is equal in both the cases,
but
like
uh,
privately.
but Parky, in that case, to reduce monopoly, government make laws. To they set up a upper limit. Like for medicine, they
Okay,
set a
okay,
limit.
okay. I
For
can agree your point. Like in Geo, Geo is the greatest example. Earlier, Geo was providing free data to everybody. Okay, and after some time, they have started recharges at very low cost. Means they were not that high. Okay, and when the people have started started changing their sims and they started relying over Geo, and now you can see the price of Geo is very much high. If in case it was very hard for Idea, Vodafone, these kinds of company to reduce the price, but what did the Geo did in early stages, they have provided free data, and now what they have done, they have raised the cost of a
but
single recharge very
but
much. Means if
this in turn help us. We would not have been using internet, like we would not have been doing video call now if this would not happen. 1 GB used to
Ah,
cost
so
so
that
high.
is what there is the competition, na? Like there is Idea, there is Airtel, there is competition. That's why we are able to like communicate. Like if suppose in early stage, like when Geo came, and what if suppose these company would have fallen down, gone in that loss, and they might have closed
Hello,
this companies. So what?
hello.
Then only Geo would rule.
Yes,
Then I
Sagar.
don't think anybody can afford a recharge of 600 rupees. But
But
there was the
Parky,
competition.
earlier
Yes, I
it
agree
used to
with
be more
Parky.
than that.
Yes, I agree with Parky because
Earlier it used to be more than that. Now we are getting
I
like
also agree
1.5
with Parky,
GB for 3
but Geo
months.
is benefit as Atmanirbhar Bharat, means it is of our country.
Like there are so many because of this internet there have been so many influencers, so many YouTubers, they got so many new jobs because of this internet, like gone down because of Jio. But the prices which you are saying that before they are free and now they have given some price, like
Now
they
we will
cannot
discuss in
provide
part.
free internet for a year. They cannot provide it for a whole lifetime.
Yeah,
They
they
also
can't
want
provide
some
it.
bribe.
I
Yes.
agree. I definitely agree that it is a business strategy. Means it is a kind of business strategy. But what